The Pertronix Ignitor 1847A conversion kit replaces old breaker points with a solid-state module that delivers a noticeably stronger, cleaner spark. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with a Bosch 009 distributor, and the kit tucks inside the cap so the engine bay keeps its original vintage look. By sending higher energy to the spark plugs, this setup typically improves throttle response, smooths idle quality, and can help fuel burn more efficiently. The Hall effect trigger and fixed magnets provide very consistent timing, so dwell does not drift the way it does with worn points and rubbing blocks. Its epoxy-encapsulated construction shrugs off dirt, oil, grease, and moisture, making it essentially a fit-and-forget upgrade for daily-driven classics or weekend toys. Owners of older automotive, marine, and industrial engines appreciate that this kit brings modern reliability and reduced maintenance without forcing a full ignition system redesign.